YouTube. This is new phone, new Kim. It's summertime. It's gonna be amazing, the vlogs that will be coming up. And right now, me and my sister are going to go to Ikea. And I'm just gonna do a little vlog of the day, what we get, what we do. It'll be fun. Right now, we're just waiting for the bus. Yeah. It's been a while since I've done a vlog, since the London vlogs, because what do you do in school? Like, school's not the least bit interesting. So yeah, we're gonna have a nice little London vlog. It's gonna be so fun. Today is no makeup, Kim, so all natural. I'll see you guys at the bus. See you there. Welcome to completely restart. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Shh, it's Kim, and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an IKEA vlog, and it's gonna be great. I'm gonna love it. Like, come on, look at the place. It's gorgeous. So, see you in the video. Guys, this is where my husband, he's gonna be a singer when we grow up. And this is gonna be his music room. That tray right there, I brought that in for him and his friends because they're doing work. I'm the housewife that stays at home, does nothing, and my husband is just making money. Guys, look, this person must have been an alcoholic because there's 2 bottles and 1 cup. Oh my god, look at the bread! Oh my god. It's not real, but you can just look outside. That's the backyard.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the dream.
Hi guys, it's I think it's the third day I'm filming, or I don't know what date it is, but I'm going out with my friend today, and I just had to rush my makeup so it looks horrid. A tear came out my eye so you can see it, so glasses it is today. But we're going to Nando's, and let's hope it's fun.
Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. I don't know what got me down. June blows, yeah, I got the June blows.
I was just thinking if you got like my back in it. Yeah, wait, so we can get bubble tea at the same time. I hope so. I'm not gonna.
Hey guys, I don't know what day we're on, but today I'm making pizzas, as you can see over there. And so my sister's gonna be trying Hershey's chocolate. I already tried it. She's not gonna get an authentic reaction, but she's gonna try it. So yeah, never tried American chocolate, so I hope it lives up to the expectations I have. Give the most honest opinion. Yeah, it does have like a slight artificial taste, or maybe I'm just overreacting. I can't tell, but it's extremely sugary, but it reminds me of like hot chocolate in chocolate bar form. I'd probably rate it a 5.5 out of 10. I don't recommend it, but it's worth trying, so yeah. Does it not taste like fun? For me, oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, now when you mention it, it does taste a bit like bonus, so yeah, I don't actually recommend it. Don't waste your money, so yeah. Look at the pizzas, they look so good. They have a tomato sauce that we made, mozzarella, frankfurters, and I made that dough myself. We got some spinach and corn on there, and bell peppers. I don't know if I said that. But guys, this pizza is gonna be so good. We did thin crust pizza. You guys are gonna love it. You're gonna see in the oven. All right, let's go. Hi everybody, we are now reaching the end of the video. I mean, it is the end of the video, and I just want to say thank you everybody for watching this video. I'm going to insert a picture of the pizza here. It ended up perfect. It was really cute and delicious. So that was the video. I hope everybody enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.